We shift our focus now to one more important story that we are tracking from the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The terror group, the JEM, has taken responsibility of the attack in which 5 security people were injured. Our colleague Zeenat breaking more details of that. Zeenat, tell us more.
Yes, Dipti, the grenade attack that was witnessed in the Zero Bridge area of the Srinagar now has been claimed by the JEM. They have issued an official release to the local agencies here, claiming the responsibility of this attack, in which 4 policemen have been injured, out of which 2 are from the traffic department. But simultaneously, one ASI of the Executive Police Wing from the Armed Force, he has received critical injuries. Though all the injured ones have been shifted to the police hospital Srinagar for the treatment. And we are seeing this grenade attack at a time when the security forces and the security scenario is really gearing up for the upcoming Republic Day. The security forces checkpoints have been intensified, mobile bunkers. We talk about such kind of security drill that is usually whenever we have such kind of days. But despite that, the militants are coming so near to the Srinagar, the heart of Srinagar. The attack was carried out where you have just half a kilometer away is the National Conference headquarters. Simultaneously, half a kilometer from the spot is the PDP, and also the big departments of the state of Jammu and Kashmir are also located there. And that is one of the link roads that connects you to 3 different places from outside Srinagar to the South Kashmir, because that is the hub of the place where the grenade was lobbed by the militants. Though despite that, the many of the encounters in which the militants were utilized, but yes, the security forces have to look into it, that how the militants are coming so near and in the hub of the city, where they were able to target the security forces, out of which they are from the Jammu and Kashmir police. Though 2 policemen are from the traffic department and 2 from the police Jammu and Kashmir police. And definitely it also needs to seen that although the area has been cordoned off to nab the attackers, but it needs to be seen whether they will be nabbed, or as usual the militants will escape from the spot. Though at present the drill of the security is also going on. They are checking everybody there, but it is also a reality that the militants were able to strike this time in the heart of city in a broad daylight.
Yes, but then, Zeenat, I think this also proves that they're really, really desperate right now. For the moment, thank you for getting us all those details.